Feel Engineering manufactures hydraulic breakers, rock drills, concrete crushers, a rotary cutter, and quick couplers, and exports them to 40 countries around the world with a network of dealers in 15 countries. Based on its endless passion and spirit for challenge, Feel Engineering is striving to deliver greater profits for our customers and to become a company recognized by customers for its changes and innovations. A company that is trusted by customers and the market. The FineBreaker, Feel Engineering's primary product, utilizes a special structural analysis program to reduce noise and vibration, and is the market leader with its unmatched durability. It uses Haddox 400 steel, offering stronger corrosion resistance than ordinary steel, and anti-vibration cushions in the side dampers to minimize vibrations. The FineBreaker also uses front dampers, eliminating the need for a pin tool. It has earned customer trust with its elegant and attractive design. Offering outstanding durability and performance, it uses strike adjustment systems and a technology for preventing empty strikes to expand the product's lifespan. Because the minimal number of parts allows easy maintenance, resulting in more profits for the customer, Feel Engineering has earned global recognition for this outstanding product. The rock drill, developed to be attached to an excavator, offers top-notch efficiency. It can be connected to any excavator and is equipped with an auto rod changer, a dust collector, and an air compressor for fast and efficient drilling. It is capable of drilling up to 90 degrees upward, vertically to 9.1 meters from the center, and horizontally to a depth of 12.1 meters. It also provides a 10 to 15 degrees sideways tilt function. Feel Engineering's concrete drills maximize operational efficiency by providing various functions. Furthermore, they are equipped with a powerful drifter with 20 kilowatts of performance to deliver fast drilling speeds. The sliding dust hood secures the operator's line of sight and helps to place the drilling rod accurately on the surface. The pre-cleaner removes big rocks to expand the filter span and increase dust collection performance. The wireless controller with a 50-meter range secures a wide range of vision, convenience, and safety for the operator. It can easily be attached and used by just connecting two hydraulic lines. Feel Engineering fine breakers and rock drills, which were created through endless technological innovations, have earned the recognition of customers and the market. Feel Engineering will become a global leader of the construction machinery industry.